Jack Villeneuve. Second, number 4, Gerhard Berger. Third, number 7, Mika Hakkinen. Fourth, number 11, Rubens Barrichello. Fifth, number 8, David Coulthard. Sixth, number 12, Martin Brundle. Johnny Herbert. The time, speed and fastest lap was on the screen, but it was there too briefly for me to be able to give it to you, but I can also give you the fastest lap anyway. KPH, perhaps calling that job to convert into MPH at 126.9. 126.9.
Yeah, we had a pretty good start. Jean Alesi had an even better one, and it was a good fight into turn one. But once I was in the lead and I knew Damon was in second, I pushed really hard. So if he was able to get second and then he could run quickly, at least I would have a big gap.
Second place driver, trophy presented by Kenneth Clark, Chancellor of the Exchequer, for Gerhard Berger. Well done, Gerhard.
I had not a very good position in the starting grid. My start was okay, but Eddie Irvine was quite hard in the first corner and he goes for it. And I didn't want to take any risk because I saw I need to get points, I need to get the team confident, I need points for the Construction Championship, so I didn't get any fight. And once I was 8, so I just pushed. I know I was on 1 stop and the most of the cars in front of me was on 2 stops. So I just had to keep with them going and I know I was going to be in front of them all. And once I had 3, I pushed very hard. I slowly catched Jean. And just when I was behind him, I think he starts to get a bit brake problems. Naturally myself too, and I start to play a bit on the brake balance and I get it just right until some laps before the end.
Well, I don't know if it's emotional, but it is fantastic feeling. I mean, these 2 guys were too quick today. I mean, there's no chance to catch them or overtake them or anything, and I just to keep my position and go maximum what the car can go. And he brought me a 3rd position, which is absolutely more than I expected to come here, this British Grand Prix.